Hello, my name is Megan and I wanted to do an honest review on this coffee maker. So this is a single serve coffee maker. It makes coffee within 60 to 100 seconds and I absolutely love it. It's so easy to use. You fill this part up with water and you place it in the back, and then you use your favorite type of coffee. You can also use coffee grounds as well. You take off the top, you stick it in here. Obviously, I'm not gonna do the whole thing. Close the top, and then you choose if you want a 6 ounce, 8 ounce, or 12 ounce cup of coffee within seconds. So easy to use, absolutely love this, and I'm so happy with my purchase. Thanks so much for watching.